If COVID-19 and the challenges of 2020 have convinced me of nothing else, it's that this life is short. And everything can change in a New York minute. And if you're like me, of course, you want to get the most out of your life, out of your relationships, out of your career. And you're tired of worshiping at the altar of someone else's opinion, someone else's permission, someone else's approval. You're tired of uncertainty, tired of waiting on governments and doctors and companies. We want to step out and live life now. We want to do what my keynote says, succeed anyway. If you agree with that, and more importantly, if you're willing to step up to the plate and actually make a change, then perhaps what I've created is for you. Because the fact is, we don't need to wait. We don't need to wait on other people. We don't need to wait on the right conditions to exist in order to center our lives around the things that make us truly come alive. In order to set goals for 2021 and beyond based on our own passions and abilities. And that is exactly why I created Come Alive 2021. This summer, in the middle of the lockdowns and all the challenges that were going on, I was in a rough place. And I heard a phrase that absolutely changed everything. It aligned everything for me. It's from a guy named Howard Thurman. He said, don't ask yourself what the world needs. Ask yourself what makes you come alive and go do that. Because what the world needs is people who have come alive. Well, I heard that and I almost cried. I still get a little emotional about it because that's it. That's what I do. It's what I want to do. I want to create the tools and the resources and the events and the interactions that cause people to come alive, to live from their deep abundance. That's why I created Come Alive 2021. And then I heard another phrase that helped me refine what I was talking about. It's from a guy named Frederick Buechner. He said, the place where God is calling you to is the place where your deep gladness meets the world's deep hunger. That's it. I want to help you find your gladness and apply it to the world's deep hunger, to live from that. Imagine if everyone in the world lived from their gladness and applied it to the world's deep hunger. This would be the most amazing planet that I've ever heard of. That's why I created Come Alive 2021. This is about centering your life around the things that make you come alive. If that means designing your life or redesigning your life. It's about setting goals for 2021 and beyond based on your own gifts, talents, and passions. So let me go step by step what we're going to do. We're going to identify your gifts, talents, and passions. We're going to do something I've never heard of any other program do, and that is we're going to identify the things that make you come alive. Some of those will be as big as starting a business, a new career, a new or better relationship, starting a ministry, or going a long way with a hobby that you have. But it will also include the simple day-to-day things, because that's where we live most often. Eating more of the food you like, having more time with your kids, having more time to read the books you like, to go hiking and cycling and whatever else it is that you do. We're going to set goals and directions for 2021 based on those. We're going to identify the things that are holding you back. What's holding you back right now? It's usually limiting beliefs or other people, things that we perceive as challenges, right? We're going to eliminate those. And then I'm going to give you the secrets, really, of goal achievement, which I've taught to over 1,000 corporations and many thousands of individuals to be able to achieve those goals faster. What you need to do is enroll on my website, MikeRayburn.com, and click on the lower right-hand corner, and there's a little Come Alive icon right there. And when you do, this is happening January 12th and 13th. It'll happen for 2.5 hours each evening. So on the West Coast, it'll be 5 to 7:30. On the East Coast, it'll be 8 to 10:30. And we might go a little over because I want to make sure we get this, right. We get everybody covered. So there are 2 levels upon which you can enroll. There's the master's level. Master's level gets the full program. That includes the pre-work, which is worth the price of admission because the pre-work is 21 or 22 questions that will walk you through everything you need to hit the ground running when we start on January 12th. It's the full program, both nights. And then, I didn't tell you about this, but I'm going to offer an additional bonus session about a week to 10 days later for an hour where we're all going to get together because I want to make sure you're on track and actually acting on the goals and things that we've decided during the program. That is the master's level. Virtuoso level gets everything that master's level gets, but you also get an hour of private one-on-one coaching via Zoom with me at a time that we both agree on. You'll get lifetime membership in my What If Challenge online learning. This is a 16-session challenge with a different what if question in a 4-minute video each week. And you have your own account. And it's perennial. It's something you should probably do every year. You're going to get a welcome package with my book and some really fun perks. And you get a year of unlimited email access to me for questions because I want to make sure you're doing this. This is going to be an amazing program. I want you to join me and the limited number of like-minded achievers. I say limited because I want to make sure we each get individual attention because this event will be transformational. So please enroll today. Thank you.